Hey guys, how you doing? Basically, I did a new video. This is the 2023 Volvo VNL 860. Pretty much the only thing they changed on the truck is a few things on the dash. I'll go over that in a second. I'm gonna on the alarm. I'm gonna hit the arm button, okay? And then I'll disarm it. Okay, the voltage of the battery, the actual truck, the signal. I'm gonna hit the remote start. It's gonna crank right up. I give it the diesel delay, so it turns on the ignition and go through all the clock, all the cycling and it needs to go through. Then it's gonna crank up. This is what you do if you live up north and you leave the heater on. That way you can warm up your truck from your house, so when you get to the yard, truck from here. GPS is here. Since we're not at the guy's location, I can show location because we're at a yard. Okay, and then you can switch over to satellite image. Okay, so when the alarm goes off, I'm gonna go ahead and open the door. The alarm is gonna set off. He's gonna get the alert on his phone. I'll leave this phone on standby. Okay. Basically, yeah, what they changed in this truck, instead of having the ignition switch on this side, they put it here. You know, that's what they did. You know, they changed a little bit of the dash, other than a little bit on the bottom. Other than that, it's, you know, it's the same old truck. This is a 2023 Volvo. Yeah, he gets the alert on his phone that the alarm is going off. It also comes with the remote to arm it. You're gonna hit lock, disarm it, and then over here you hit it twice to remote start. You got the fobs, so you can do it from the actual you know, remote control. The remote control will be a link to a football field. From the phone, it can be anywhere in the world. You can be in another state and remote start your truck. That's through cellular. There's no, you don't need a Wi-Fi hotspot inside your truck or nothing like that. The unit hooks up to the linker server, and that's how it works. You don't need an extra additional line. In fact, I don't even care who's your cell phone provider or nothing. There's nothing added to your phone or nothing like that. The unit hooks up to the servers, and then the first year is free, and after that, it's just like, it's like $30 a year. Very doable. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. Now we go to the topic that everybody's wondering. I do not have any installers in your home state. We do not sell the equipment. If you want to get this done, you're going to have to find a load to Miami. The installation will take about 2 hours, like this guy did. He came from Pennsylvania, and we have a lot of truckers come all over the United States. We meet them right off the turnpike. We have a little facility, and you can get it done. You can come with your load, and once we, you know, it takes about a couple hours, and then you can jump on and find another load and get out of Miami. It's not a big deal, but no, we do not have anybody in your home state where you live. In fact, we don't have anybody out of Miami that can do this for you. Not too many people know how to work on these trucks anyway. And we do not sell the equipment due to the fact that, number one, it's useless because all the wiring in the trucks are all the same color, so there's really no database or nothing that I can show you how to use, how to install it. So yeah, the only other way around it is you need to find a load in Miami, and we knock it out for you. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist.